Hey, so I know you were asking about why we drink Gatorade during a sports tournament, and I just kind of wanted to talk about it a little bit, like why Gatorade and electrolytes and water, why that balance is so important. So electrolytes are inorganic substances like sodium, potassium, that dissociate into ions when dissolved in water. Electrolytes play a central role in the body's fluid balance. So sport drinks like Gatorade, Powerade, because of their electrolyte content, keep us from losing those ions that are so important to our body's functions. So when you take part in sports or exercise, say during a hot day, we sweat a lot. And not only is water lost when we sweat, but also a large amount of electrolytes like salt and sodium and potassium can be lost, and all electrolytes are not going to be replaced by the body immediately. So most likely you're going to be lacking in the sodium and potassium you need to recover, which is why you can compensate by drinking Gatorade. One of the main organs that regulate electrolyte balance is the kidneys. So the kidneys is what processes or filters the blood. And allows us to concentrate urine. And it does this by controlling a volume and composition of the urine. So hormones like ADH and aldosterone play an important role in helping us maintain the electrolyte balance in our body. So say like when sodium levels are too low, it can result in a decreased solute concentrate. And in response to this, ADH keeps, I'm like looking at my notes here. ADH keeps water inside the body. It's anti-diuretic hormone, so we're not going to urinate, meaning that it's trying to hold the solutes in to retain those electrolytes that are very important to some of our functions, like our cardiac function, skeletal muscle, the nervous system, acid, base, and water balance. And so that's why it's so important to keep up on replenishing those electrolytes after you work out.